I really, really like this, is all about ceramics. And look how cheap the plates are. This particular company is the company that a friend of mine who owns a big hotel chain here in Portugal, he was telling me that they use this particular company in China for all of their crockery, their plates, their cups, you know, everything kind of ceramic related. This is a massive, massive company in China, but they do heaps and heaps of much. They'll do small orders. That's what I'm trying to get to. It's not just like you need to order for a hotel. They actually also do very small orders as well, like 100 units of something, and they're really fantastic. And they've got some amazing, beautiful, beautiful stuff that you can buy off the shelf. But then they'll also do customization for you, so they'll write on the plates for you. And so instantly, I was thinking, well, what could you write on the plate to make it a fantastic Valentine's gift, for instance? What could you do for that? Or for a Mother's Day gift or a Father's Day? Is there a way that you could make a plate set so it'd be really giftable, for instance? And so I was thinking that through. Happy to get your ideas if you've got any ideas on that. But they'll also, as well, if you send them the design of what you want, they'll also create that design for you as well. So not only will they do off the shelf for you, like these are all off shelf, and I really like these plates. I think it's super, super simple, but really nice. They've got a lot of Japanese looking stuff as well, which some of you have already referenced as well. So they'll also do designs for you as well. And so I went looking onto Amazon and also on Shopify and on Etsy as well in this kind of related niche. And I started thinking, well, what's actually out there? Who would be buying plates? Okay. I thought for anybody that's having a party or a wedding, for instance, maybe they would order plates in bulk. Maybe that would be something kind of interesting. They'd order like 100 plates if they were hosting the party at their particular place, for instance. I thought that could be a kind of neat way of doing it. And I also thought my eldest daughter, 15, was talking to us about getting her own apartment at 15. And so I thought, well, maybe there's opportunities for when people leave home, then they're going to need to get all of that sets of crockery and tableware and stuff like that. Maybe there's something there for that. Maybe there's something there for when people are like if they get divorced. Like if they get divorced, then clearly usually I would imagine it would be the dude would suddenly find himself in a situation where he needs to go and get crockery, plates and things like that. Maybe there's something that could be done for that. Cass says wedding gifts with special details on the plates. Absolutely, you could customize the plates specifically for that. And plates sell really, really well online. You know, like it's a big selling thing online. This is something you could absolutely get into. So I really like this. And this company, I think, is a fantastic company to do it with if you were thinking of getting into it or thinking of trialing it. And they do off the shelf as well, basically where you could be, you know, quote unquote wholesaling their stuff into Australia or wherever you're going for it as well. So that was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 e-commerce professionals right around the world. We're the fastest growing e-commerce community right here in Australia, for instance, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. That link is in the description. I will see you on the next video. Until then, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.